I just want to do a quick video on cleaning a stovetop that is caked in grease that's been there for quite a while. So on this side I used a regular cleaner, you usually have underneath your sink, and I let it sit on there for a few minutes, and then I came back and I tried to scrub it. Didn't really do a whole lot to the caked on grease, and this is kind of what it looked like before, only a little bit more, I guess. I couldn't really get the results I was looking for, so I went and I got a razor blade and I started scraping, and as you can see, this is what came of that, which is not much better than it was before. My mother told me once that you could use peroxide and baking soda to use as a cleaner, so I wanted to give that a try. The ingredients to this cleaner are pretty straightforward. You're going to use baking soda and peroxide. So all you're going to do, there's really no measurement to this, it's just how much you're going to need. I would make just a little bit to start out with so that you know how much you're going to need. So you're just going to dump a little baking soda in there, and then you're going to add some peroxide. Just add a little at first. You're going to want to get this to kind of a paste. You don't want it to be too soupy, but you don't want it to be too thick that you can't work with it either. So that's a little thick. Add a little bit more peroxide. And if you get it too soupy, don't worry about it. Just add a little bit more baking soda. That's about right. Good. And now we can put it onto our oven top. Over here, I just started, and this side over here, you take the paste, and I'm just using a toothbrush and kind of scrubbing this on. And as you can see, all those little scrape spots and heavy spots are coming right off. Okay, now I'm just going to take a wet rag, and as you can see, it is a lot cleaner now than it was before. So now that I've got it all cleaned off, rinsed off, I can kind of see if there's any spots that I need to hit again. I've got a little bit in this corner, a couple of spots right here that I need to get off that I couldn't see when the paste was on here. So now that I've got it cleaned off, I'm going to go ahead and do the other three, and then I'm going to wipe those, and I'll come back and I'll hit these spots and clean them up as well. And for some of these harder to get spots, I'm going to try to use the scraper pad. Which you could use over the entire thing if you wanted to. Okay, now that we've cleaned this side, let's go ahead and do this. And there you have it. A nice, clean stovetop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.